Ever popped a balloon and jumped at the sound? Why is it so loud for something so small? Here's the science. When you blow up a balloon, you stretch its rubber skin. That skin is holding back a lot of high-pressure air inside. The moment the rubber tears, the air rushes out faster than the speed of sound. This creates a shock wave, a sudden burst of energy that our ears hear as a loud pop. So really, it's not just the balloon breaking, it's all that trapped air escaping in an instant. Follow for more fun science explainers.